Hey guys, come and clean with me with my refrigerator. Just recently went grocery shopping and thought this would be a good time to go ahead and start, recording and cleaning. I know when it comes to deep cleaning anything, I am completely satisfied when it comes to seeing the before and after with that. So, yeah, just come and clean with me under 4 minutes. Deep clean, of course. Okay, this is towards the end of my video. I'm just pretty much doing the last literally item inside my refrigerator. I'm gonna show you guys a good view. All right, see you guys later. I messed up.